Alright guys, so paano naman natin i-download si Docker? So first kailangan lang natin alamin muna yung specs ng computer natin. And tignan natin kung supported ba itong Docker requirements kumbaga. So hindi kasi lahat ng computers is compatible with Docker. So meron siya isang requirements na kailangan which is yung Hyper-V o yung virtualization na tinatawag. So, para ma-check natin na mas mabilis kung supported ba yung ating Windows ng ah, Hyper-V or virtualization. So, open lang natin Task Manager and then go to Performance and you will see this uh, CPU. So, makikita mo dito yung virtualization enabled. So, ini-enable yan sa may BIOS. So, minsan nakalock lang yan. Pero, check mo pa rin talaga yung specs ng computer mo is supported. Then, tsaka natin i-download based dun sa may platform na ginagamit mo. Kung Windows ba yan or Mac.